we discussed about the natural satellite, that is moon, but there are many human made satellites also which are revolving in our universe, and these human made satellites have been made by humans. These are artificial, these are not natural. Okay, they are designed by scientists to gather information about universe or communication. Okay, these are carried, how these satellites are sent in the universe? These are carried by a rocket and they are placed in the orbit around the path is made for them, and they are placed in that orbit. Okay, this is how satellites are launched. A rocket is launched. The rocket, when it attains a certain height in the universe, then the rocket falls back, and slowly the parts they fall out and they release the satellite when it is placed in the orbit. Okay, you must have heard about Chandrayaan. Okay, Chandrayaan, last year Chandrayaan was sent by ISRO to on the moon. Okay, that Chandrayaan was also a satellite. These satellites are used either to take information regarding weather, like wherever whenever it will be cloudy, where it is going to rain, what would be the maximum temperature, what would be the minimum temperature. All this information is given to us by the satellites. They click the pictures, and with the help of those pictures, the scientists, astronomers, they give us the information about weather. Okay, not only that, satellites are helpful in communication also. Now, if you are in India and your friend is in USA, you want to talk to your friend, you will talk with the help of mobile. And how does that connection is made? That connection is made with the help of human made or artificial satellites. Okay, signals are sent, communication signals are sent from one part of earth to another part with the help of a human made satellite. Some examples of human made satellites, I gave you one, like Chandrayaan. Some other Indian satellites are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Okay, next we are going to talk about asteroids. Okay, asteroids, these are the rocks that are present in the sun, in our universe. Okay, these asteroids, these pieces of rock, they are found between the two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. I showed you this in a picture also. Okay, the picture of solar system. This is the belt of asteroids. These all asteroids are big pieces of rocks, and they are present between the two planets Mars and Jupiter. Okay, if you want to see the picture of an asteroid, this is an asteroid. Okay, this also has the craters on it. Okay, so what are these asteroids? These asteroids are pieces of rocks, very big rocks. They are found as a belt of rocks in between two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. Okay, scientists, they have said that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Scientists say, they have made a theory that many years ago, some planet, one planet or more than one planet, they exploded, and those rocks are actually the pieces of those exploded planets. Okay, next thing is meteoroids. Meteoroids are also rocks, but they move around the sun. Okay, meteoroids, they are the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Sometimes what happens that these meteoroids, they come near the planets. They try to fall upon the planet. And if they come near our planet Earth, now we know that our planet, it is surrounded by air. Okay, air is present, there are many layers of air. So what happens that these meteoroids, when they come near the earth, and they tend to drop upon it, they tend to fall upon the earth. During this process, what happens, when it starts falling down, due to the different layers of air present on our planet, friction occurs. Okay, friction occurs. You must have read about friction in science. Friction occurs, and due to this friction they get heated up and they get burnt. Okay, it causes, when they get burnt, then it causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Most of the times these meteoroids or meteors, they are burnt in the layers of the earth and they don't fall upon earth. But if sometimes, if some part of that meteoroid is left, then it falls upon the earth and there it will create a big pit, a big hollow. Okay, so I'll show you the picture of meteoroid. This is how the meteoroid burns when it falls upon the earth, when it goes through the layers of atmosphere. Okay, you must have seen a thing that is called Tootta Tara. Actually, Tootta Tara is what? It is a meteoroid. Okay, it is not that stars are falling on earth. Okay, so last thing of the chapter is the galaxy in which our planet, our solar system exists. Okay, now if you go out in open fields, okay, where there is no buildings at all, okay, for many meters around those fields there are no buildings, no high mountains, nothing is there, you will see that there is a white broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky, and that you can see only when the sky is clear in the night. Okay, what is that? Those are the cluster of groups of millions of stars, and this is called Milky Way Galaxy, the galaxy in which our solar system exists. Okay, in ancient time period in India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky, so it was called Akash Ganga. Okay, now what is a galaxy? I'll show you the picture of our Milky Way Galaxy also. Okay, this is actually the picture of Milky Way Galaxy. It is in elliptical shape, oval shape. This is Milky Way Galaxy. And what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases, and our solar system is also present in this Milky Way Galaxy. Okay, so but don't think that there is only one galaxy in the universe. We know only about this galaxy till now. We are the scientists, they are searching for other galaxies, they are searching information of other galaxies. There are millions of such galaxies in our universe. Okay, so with this I finish the chapter. I'll show you another picture of Milky Way Galaxy. This is the picture of Milky Way Galaxy that has been taken with the help of satellites, and this is actually the pictures of different planets in our universe according to their size. Okay, the sun, it is the biggest celestial body in our solar system. Then the next one is Jupiter. The third celestial body in size is Saturn. Fourth biggest celestial body is Uranus. Fifth biggest celestial body is Neptune. Earth, it is the fifth biggest planet. Okay, then comes Venus. Venus is smaller than Earth. Mars, it is smaller than Venus. Then Mercury, and the smallest one is our moon, the natural satellite of Earth. So I think that you all will find this chapter interesting. Go through the chapter, download the PDF file of the chapter, read the chapter from that file, and tomorrow or day after, on Monday, I'll send you some exercises and question answers. Good evening.